If you have a creative mind and you like working on your creativity, let me tell you right now that you can actually turn your creativity into real money. Just by using some websites that I will show you later, you can actually be creative, productive, and be a money earner all at the same time. There are no hidden fees or costs whatsoever, and no matter where you are, it is accessible worldwide. All you need is a computer or phone, and you can start making money. All you have to do is simply make templates using canva.com, and later on, I will show you how you can make money out of it. What I mean is some real ways to make money online, and by doing this, you could be making hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month using this strategy. And you can even keep this one as an online business if you could pull it off. There is so much potential. As soon as you finish watching this video, then you can start now and make a real cash. So before we start, welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. The first thing is I want you to open your browser and go to Etsy.com. Now, Etsy.com is an online shop where you can find some real products that are being sold there, and not only that, but also online software products. Now, if you would go and open the search bar and type in templates, you will find that there are social media templates that are being sold here at Etsy.com. You can find resume templates, itinerary templates, wedding templates, and social media templates. There are so many choices that you can make, especially in the future. But for now, we will focus on creating your first template packs that you can sell here at Etsy.com. The most sold template pack right now here at Etsy.com is the Instagram template pack. So if you would search Instagram template, you will find there a lot of templates are being sold. As you can see, there are a lot of people buying this template so that they can use them on their own Instagram accounts. There are even some of them that have thousands of buyers. So keep in mind that these templates are those that catch people's attention. So you will also need to make templates that are better, if not as good as these templates. Now, to start making these templates, I want you to go to canva.com. Then you will have to create your account by clicking sign up. Then after that, you will have to fill in the information being asked, or you can also simply sign up with your Facebook or Google account. When you are ready to build your own design, you can start exploring for free templates. There will be numerous templates available here that you can use for any purpose, but you need to look for Instagram template. So you can just type Instagram templates to the search bar, or you can find it in the different categories. Now here, you will find the templates that are available for you to use, but you also have the choice to create a blank Instagram template if you are not confident in your skills. Now, if you are a beginner or you think you lack design skills, I would advise getting a free template because it is so much easier to just create something from a base. Therefore, you are free to choose whatever templates you would like. It is preferable if you can choose templates that are highly intriguing and will grab your attention so that it will make people interested in them later. Therefore, you can begin changing it once you've chosen your preferred template. Simply choose Customize the template and begin modifying it so you can make it your own. Be sure to make noticeable or really big changes to your templates. What you will need to do is to focus on aesthetics when you are starting to edit a template. For example, you can change the text, you can change the font, make it bigger or smaller, you can even change the colors, add some elements and graphics, or you can add photos. Now, if you want to add a different element that you can find on canva.com, then you can simply search online. What you would need to look for is royalty-free images. Simply search online for royalty-free photographs and click on any website that sells them to ensure that there are no copyright claims made against the images. For instance, Pexels.com is a reliable source for royalty-free photographs that you can use. If you found something interesting, you can save it in your computer and you will have to upload it on Canva.com. Once you are happy with your template, just save it on your computer. You would want to do the same process multiple times and create at least 40 to hundreds of different templates with the same theme. Make sure to follow the theme that you chose so that it will always look aesthetic. Then we will be going back to Etsy.com, and what you will do is to create an account by clicking on Sign In and then Register button. After you have created your free account, you then will create a listing just like the other Instagram templates that you saw earlier here at Etsy.com. It depends on how much pricing you will want to charge, but I would suggest that you chose something that is in the middle of being expensive and cheap. Now, here at Money Kings, we want you to maximize your earning potential. So here is another website on which you can sell your templates. It is called creativemarket.com. Now, this one is almost the same as Etsy.com. You will just have to do the same thing with Etsy.com and sell your template here. So you can earn money from those two different websites with just one template pack that you created earlier. And just by doing that, you can actually make money using Canva for free. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first one to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.